long lower shadow, big black candle yesterday, retesting yet again. Now, it depends on what happens here today. Obviously, a Trump victory will be very bullish for the cryptocurrency space. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Tuesday, 5 November 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the euro, the Swiss and the US dollar, and short on the yen, the New Zealand and the Aussie. And at last it's election day in the US, so we can get this behind us. So expecting quite a slow day, maybe volatility coming in tonight when the US results starts to come out. But for now, let's see what we can do. Dollar index finding support there. Trump's support comes back after the weekend. The weekend he fell back a little bit, but yesterday apparently it picks up again. So you can see the long lower shadow there, testing the moving averages, showing us some dollar bullishness still come in. I would stay long on the dollar. There's nothing else I can do. Yesterday dollar went a little bit neutral during the day, but I can see here on my indicator intraday still shows some strength. On gold, I'm definitely still looking at this breakout. Yesterday didn't break out far enough, so I'm waiting for the breakout to go long on gold. On the 4-hour charts, you can see the trend nicely up. Busy in a consolidation, but I think most likely we will not get a breakout for today. But that is what I'm looking for. Trend is strong and bullish on the daily charts. Yes, I'm looking for a bigger retracement back to the support level. But if I don't get that, I will then stick with the 4-hour charts looking for the breakout. But a deeper retracement would not be a bad thing at all. Bitcoin, well, long lower shadow, big black candle yesterday, retesting yet again. Now, it depends on what happens here today. Obviously, a Trump victory will be very bullish for the cryptocurrency space. So let's see. You can see here yesterday it gave up after the weekend where he lost a little bit of support. And then this morning, obviously everywhere you can see that he is more likely to win the elections. And now suddenly we start to see some bullishness coming back on Bitcoin. So I think tonight's close will give us a big indication, and obviously the result of the elections. So let's see what happens there. I won't do much. I did buy a little bit on this retest because we had the break and the retest. But remember, all my purchases are for long term. So let's see. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. In the FTSE, tested the level I showed you yesterday, 61% structure there. Evening stars, not a bearish engulfing. A bearish engulfing should engulf a larger candle, not a small body. So this is an evening star. So it gave me a little bit of an opportunity. I've got some other opportunities in my mentoring program also to go short on. But I got a little bit of a trade there short. I am nimble. It is elections, so I'm not going to do something stupid. Halfway marks also a very good level to work with. Targets, if you look at this Fibonacci here from there to there, you can see some quite nice levels coming in at 1.27. You can see there. So if your risk level from there to there is roughly 80, and down there it's give you 170. So that's good enough just before the round levels. So if you want to push it further, yeah, well, be my guest. But I think I like this target here on the Fibonacci's. Then on the euro yen, didn't get a breakout yesterday. I was waiting for the breakout, didn't get it. Now breaking in the Tokyo session, which I won't do. So at this stage, I'm waiting for the retest of the Fibonacci, the 61% level, or then just a retest of this consolidation. You can see this triangle here. Let's hope that the market can confirm that for us. So a retest and a nice candle reversal here would be great. If not that one, then we can do it here. You can see euro got all the sparkle, very strong. Yen in the red zone, so I definitely want to be long here. I'm just waiting for the correct moment to get into this. Euro US, yesterday I showed you this level. Fibonacci shifted a little bit. But if you look at the euro, all the sparkle. US also green. This is a way of sort of hedging against the dollar bullishness if something happens, because going long on the euro US, in fact, you're shorting the dollar. And in general, I don't want to be short dollar, but with this kind of euro strength, I would consider going long on the euro and then absolutely have a short on the dollar. Then the Nasdaq Nasdaq showed you yesterday this. I've got a strong dollar, stock market bearish for now, so I would love to see a retracement back there. Once I get a retest of that level between 50 and 61%, nice strong candle pattern reversal, that'll get me to go short. In the S&P 500, also the similar scenario. These are the levels I'm waiting on my FIB trades. We already got some shorts on my mentoring program, but that is different strategies, not what I cover here. I cover here the Fibonacci levels, and FIBs here is 50 to 61% level structure coming in there. That's the area I'm looking for shorts there on a strong dollar. Then on the DAX, similar scenario. We got this big swing down, trend bearish. I need the retest. Euro very strong, so I want to be short here definitely, but not from these levels. I'm going to try to wait and see if I can get those levels there. Although I got a short here already on my mentoring program, but for the specific strategy. So that level to be tested. Once I get that level tested, nice counter reversal, that's where I will consider some shorts. Then on the Euro Aussie, Euro very strong. You can see all the sparkle. Aussie almost bottom, but deep red zone. So Fibonacci level, support. So nice structure coming in here, just below the 50% level. So if I can get a retracement, a retest, and a nice counter reversal here, yes, the danger of this is that this could be a shoulder, head, shoulder. So when it breaks these lows, I'm out if I get a counter reversal here. But if it shows me that the neckline will last, it could be a failed head and shoulders. And with the dollar strength up there and the Aussie down there, it's highly probable that I can get a winning trade out of this. And it could be explosive, because usually people trade the head and shoulders and then they got sucked in and blow out in bubbles up there. And that's when I would want to be already in. But if it cuts through, I'll not even consider this. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.